Hi guys, welcome back to my next video, and in this video we are going to talk why to invest in Biz Gurukul. Let me make it very short and precise. We usually spend around 15 to 20 years behind our qualification, behind to get our academic degrees, and with that degree we try on searching jobs for us with mere money of rupees 25,000 to 30,000 per month. But we can't fulfill all our dreams on that. Yes, we need to think like an entrepreneur. We must have business-minded settings. And the two important skills that are very much necessary to get success in life, whether it be your job, whether it be your business, these two skills are your own personal branding and public communication skills. These two soft skills are the most important skills, and even proven by different surveys and research within the employees or companies. So let me tell you, Biz Gurukul is such a platform which provides you the complete package of developing yourself through personal branding and improving your public communication skills at an affordable price. Not only that, there are various trainings almost throughout the years, maybe costing almost rupees 1 lakh, but that is free for you. These trainings help you to build your own online business and makes you able to earn from 60,000 to 1 lakh per month. And that's not a joke, it's a calculated decision. Many people are already into the Hall of Fame following Biz Gurukul. I am also one of them, and I have learned it practically and researched it properly. And yes, we are gaining result. That's why we need to invest in Biz Gurukul, because investing in Biz Gurukul is nothing but it is investing on yourself. Yeah, we waste that much amount when we go for a party or cinema halls or any personal purpose. So why can't we invest just a mere of 3,000 or 10,000 upon us to develop ourselves? Yes, we must and we can do that, because this provides you with opportunities throughout your life. Yes, that is one more thing. In Biz Gurukul, if you are enrolled once, that goes for your lifetime. And your trainings also includes trainings related to meditation, yoga, health, dress up, super diets, ancient art of storytelling, speech clarity, etc. Don't you think these trainings are much more important for an individual? In my next video, we will keep on talking about other sessions, motivational sessions related to Biz Gurukul and extra. Till then, keep following me on social medias. Thank you. Bye-bye.